Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to make a roux. A roux is a thickening product. It's made with either butter or margarine and flour, and you cook it in the frying pan until it gets thick. Now roux is good because you can use it to make gravies, sauces, thicken a stew or soup or chowder. You see, it has many purposes, okay? Alright, and the good part about it is if you don't use it all today, you can freeze it in the freezer and pull it out whenever you want, okay? Pull it out, let it thaw out, and wow, there you go. You have your roux at all times. Alright, so let me get started with the party, okay? If this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe. I love to have you. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and share it with someone. Someone else wants to know how to make a thickening agent that they don't have to go out and buy. Okay? Alright, stay tuned. Okay. So I have here a cup of margarine, okay? It's smart margarine that helps you with your cholesterol. I switched from butter and I started using this. I'm going to turn my fire down just until all the margarine melts. Okay, so we have the margarine in there. And you just want to melt that before you add your flour. Okay, I can turn my fire back up. I have it on number 6 on my stove. And I'm working with a gas stove so that you'll know what type of stove I'm working with. I hope your day is treating you well. It's Sunday here in Massachusetts, so Sunday's a family day, a day where people usually get together and eat, or they'll visit family members, or they'll be with their own family. I think Sunday is good for those purposes. Other purposes is people go to church, or just go hang out and do something for the weekend before their week starts again. Oops. Okay, so just so that you can see, our margarine is completely melted. Now we're going to add the flour. I have a half a cup. I may need to add more, but we'll see as we go, okay? So you're going to put it in and keep stirring it. If you see you need more, you'll know that right away because you want it really, really thick like a paste. And you're going to just let that cook until you don't see any more white flour. It's all mixed into a nice, smooth texture. Okay, let me get a spoon and let's see how that looks. Okay. The longer you let it cook, the thicker it will get, alright? Okay, I think this is good. The way I can tell is, see how it's coating the spoon? It's not all falling off, you see? Okay, I think that was cooking, what, I would say maybe 3-4 minutes. And we're good. So I'm going to put that in a container and let you see that. So that's as simple as that. How about that, huh? Okay, let me put it in a container and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the roux. Okay, you can use it now. You can put it in the refrigerator or you can freeze it, okay? Okay, so let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is learn your body. No one knows your body better than you do. You know, the doctor don't know it better than you. No one knows it better than you because no one is inside of your body. So if you feel sick, try to figure out, you know, where it's coming from, why you feel sick, what happens when you get this feeling, so that you can better help the doctor diagnose what the problem is, okay? But if you just say, oh, I don't know, it's hurting, I don't know, and you don't like go back and check and see, well, what did I eat, what did I do, when did this start, how long has it been going on, you really can't help the doctor, you know? And you need to help him to help you, because he's a person just like we are, and yes, he has knowledge, but he also needs some help from us, okay? Learn your body. That's the word of the day. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Hit the like button if you like it. Subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.